Hello and welcome to this episode of our video series for battery pack production, the heart of an electric vehicle. My name is Moritz and I'm the responsible industry manager for battery pack applications at TRUMPF. The underride protection shields the battery pack from intrusion of road debris or in case of an accident. Today we will give you a deep dive in TRUMPF laser technologies for highly productive laser welding applications. Let's have a closer look at the technology.
Hello, my name is Johannes and I'm an application engineer at TRUMPF. Laser welding technologies are convenient for fillet seams, which occur at the reinforced sheet metal structures in the underride protection of the battery pack. The purpose of this application is a stable process at maximum productivity. To achieve a perfect welding result at fillet seams, a high positioning accuracy is required. OCT seam tracking allows the detection of edges and so a precise positioning of the laser beam relative to the edge. This technology is an omnidirectional solution for seam detection without the need to rotate the processing head. It is fully flexible. Even processes with laser beam oscillation and beam shaping can be used simultaneously with the OCT seam tracking. At beam oscillation, there is a higher process flexibility, for example, to create a wider intersection area. With the beam shaping technology Brightline Weld, the welding speed and so the productivity can be increased up to 10 meters per minute. Using the additional online seam monitoring, the geometry of the welded seam can be scanned during the entire welding process and offer an all-in-one solution. For this application, we need less than 4000 watts, which means maximizing productivity by using two stations for welding at the same time. Therefore, our TRUMPF Laser TrueDisc 8001 is the perfect choice. In combination with the PFO scanning optic and OCT sensor system, this defines the industry standard for a flexible laser welding solution and integrated quality assurance.
Your laser application was not mentioned yet? Challenge us with the specific requirements of your products. If you want to learn more about the production of battery packs, stay tuned for further episodes of the Battery Pack series or get in contact with us right away. Thanks for watching and take care.